सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I already gave the essence of my message, today's message, morning in few words. I'll repeat. Please understand. Any evolution in any civilization happens only based on the people who create dreams of that civilization. Any evolution in any part, any department, any section of any civilization happens only by the people who create dreams in those fields. Person who creates dreams and expresses based on the Mooladhara and Swadhisthana, root chakra and spleen chakra, he is an entertainer. Cinema. Understand, fantasies related to Mooladhara and the ideas related to Swadhisthana, thriller movies, violent movies. Person who dreams and expresses the dream from Mooladhara and Swadhisthana is an entertainer, entertainment field. Person who expresses dreams based on heart is an artist, painter, architect, a sculptor. Person who expresses dreams and expresses his dreams from heart center is an artist. Person who dreams and expresses the dreams from the crown center is Acharya. Actually, in crown center you cannot have dreams. You can have only visions. It's a space where there is no dream. There can only be visions. Means in the crown center naturally you will be living enlightenment, Jivan Mukti. Expressing that Jivan Mukti, oozing out that Jivan Mukti in your life is Acharya. Person who oozes out the enlightenment, Jivan Mukti in his body language is Acharya. So, highest dreamer is Acharya. Acharya is a person who experiences and expresses the highest possible dream. So, you guys are the dreamers of new civilization. Understand? You Acharyas are the dreamers of new civilization. Dream the highest possible Jivan Mukti and express. One more thing, understand? When a person constantly dreams and expresses the dreams related to root center, Mooladhara, by and by he becomes like that. That is why, by and by the entertainment industry people, they just become like that. It's very rare, very difficult to find a person who is in that entertainment industry, who is grounded, who is not become like that. Anything you constantly remember and express, you will become that. Same way, a person constantly who is in the heart, dreams and expresses the art, he just becomes an artist. He becomes like that. Same way, constantly dream the highest possible dream, the Jivan Mukti, and express in your life, you will just become that. You will just become that. You cannot escape from your dream. Understand? Do not think you dreams you. Dream dreams you. That is the truth. So when the dreams constantly express itself in its highest possible space from you, through you, you just become that. When Arjuna asked Krishna how a Jivan Mukta walks, talks, sits, eats, Krishna just expresses what he is doing. That is the Acharya Lakshana. And he is setting up a trend how an Acharya should be. Understand? You can take that as a scale. From that, start developing that dream to its extreme. Start developing the Krishna's dream to its extreme. Understand, same movie, same story will not run for too long. Maybe once in a while, because old movie you may like to enjoy for half an hour. But it can never become a hit, super hit movie. So I have come down to give a super hit movie. We need new stories. And new imagination, new innovation, new creation. So take Krishna's dream as a baseline, work on it, take it to its extreme. Let's create new stories. The new stories only can become his story history. Understand? Only after new stories we will create histories. History will be his story. Create the extreme Jivan Mukti dreams. How a Jivan Mukta will live, how a Jivan Mukta will eat, how a Jivan Mukta will sleep, how a Jivan Mukta will walk, how a Jivan Mukta will act. Create an extreme dream and live it. That's all is the essence. So, my message for all the Acharyas, Acharya's Day message is create the Jivan Mukti dream. How a Jivan Mukta will speak, how a Jivan Mukta will conduct a class, how a Jivan Mukta will teach yoga, how a Jivan Mukta will do puja, how a Jivan Mukta will give life solutions. Create the extreme dream and live it. Any dream created never goes waste, because as I said, you are not dreaming the dreams, dream is dreaming you. So, when these highest dreams are expressed in you, it just becomes life. Live the highest possible dream, Jivan Mukti. Achieve and radiate the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.